Hey there, friends. Welcome back Daily Home Trends channel, where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary retreats. Today, we're diving into a veranda makeover that'll elevate your farmhouse with unmatched outdoor comfort. Whether you're sipping morning coffee or hosting weekend gatherings, your veranda should be a cozy, stylish extension of your home. So, grab a notepad because we're sharing fresh ideas, must-have elements, and budget-friendly tips to create your dream outdoor escape. Farmhouse verandas are all about blending rustic charm with modern comfort. But where do you start? First, think about how you'll use the space: relaxing, dining, or entertaining. Then, consider materials, furniture, and those little decorative touches that make it uniquely yours. And don't worry, we've got you covered with inspiration that's both practical and Pinterest-worthy. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design tips. Now, let's turn that tired veranda into a stunning outdoor oasis. Segment 1. Planning your veranda makeover. First things first, let's talk planning. A successful veranda makeover starts with a clear vision. Ask yourself, what's the primary purpose of this space? Is it a quiet reading nook, a family dining area, or a social hotspot? Knowing this will guide your furniture choices, layout, and even color scheme. Pro tip: sketch a rough layout or use a free design app to visualize your ideas before spending a dime. Next, consider your farmhouse's existing style. Should your veranda match the home's rustic aesthetic, or do you want a modern twist? Mixing materials like reclaimed wood with wrought iron or wicker can create a balanced look. And don't forget functionality. Weather-resistant fabrics, storage solutions, and shade options like pergolas or retractable awnings will keep your space usable year-round. Lastly, set a realistic budget. Splurging on a statement piece, like a swing bed or stone fireplace, can be worth it, but balance it with DIY projects or thrifted finds. Now, let's move on to the fun part: design and decor. Segment 2: Fresh design ideas and must-have elements. Ready for some serious inspiration? Let's start with seating. Deep, cushioned sofas or a classic porch swing instantly add comfort. For smaller verandas, opt for space-saving benches or foldable bistro sets. And here's a trend we love in 2025: modular outdoor furniture. It's versatile, rearrangeable, and perfect for evolving needs. Lighting sets the mood, so layer it up. String lights bring a magical glow, while lanterns or solar-powered path lights add functionality. For a farmhouse touch, try Edison bulbs or vintage-style sconces. And don't overlook greenery. Hanging plants, vertical gardens, or potted herbs bring life and freshness to your veranda. Accessories are the icing on the cake. Outdoor rugs define zones, throw pillows add pops of color, and a rustic coffee table or bar cart makes entertaining effortless. Want a showstopper? Install a DIY water feature or fire pit for instant wow factor. Now, let's talk about the finishing touches that tie it all together. Segment 3: Fresh design ideas and must-have elements. Now, let's talk about making your veranda a year-round retreat. Depending on where you live, weather can be a challenge, but with a few smart tweaks, you can enjoy your outdoor space in every season. For colder months, consider adding a fire pit or outdoor heater to keep things cozy. Pair it with thick, Weatherproof blankets and cushions for those crisp autumn evenings. Imagine sipping hot cider by the fire. Sounds dreamy, right? In the summer, focus on shade and airflow. A pergola with climbing plants or a retractable canopy provides relief from the sun, while ceiling fans or portable misters keep things cool. Lightweight, breathable fabrics for cushions and curtains will prevent fading and withstand humidity. And don't forget storage. Invest in deck boxes or waterproof covers to protect furniture during harsh weather or when not in use. Finally, think about transitional decor. Swap out seasonal accents like pillows, rugs, and table settings to keep the space fresh. Pumpkins and warm tones for fall, festive lights for winter, bright florals for spring. It's an easy way to keep your veranda feeling current. With these tips, your farmhouse veranda won't just be a summer spot, it'll be your favorite hangout, no matter the season. And there you have it, a veranda makeover that's equal parts charming and functional. Remember, the best outdoor spaces reflect your personality, so don't be afraid to experiment. Start small if needed, and gradually add elements as you go. The key is creating a space where you love spending time, rain or shine. If this video sparked ideas, let us know in the comments. What's your veranda dream look like? And for more farmhouse design tips, check out our videos on rustic porch decor or affordable outdoor upgrades. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, friends. Now, go out there and create a veranda that's not just beautiful, but truly yours. Until next time, happy decorating.